Hello, this is Mr. Golias, and we are now ready for the Level 4 formative. This means you should have your title page, you should have your word art, your pre-assessment. This student did so well, they skipped the Level 1 and went into Level 3. Here's her home, so she would now be ready for the next challenge. If yours, let's say on yours you had to do Level 1, here's a Level 1, the word art is up here, and then the home. And yes, the student did have the title page as well. So that's what it would look like once you're ready to go. So let's look at the challenge. For the formative final challenge, you're going to pick any Bartlett, Chicago, Illinois, or USA landmark, and using the drawing tools, make a colorful picture. You must have layers and a background. We're not using any type of clip art or images from the internet. We're not really using any words. You're making this your own creation. For example, here's a student who chose to do Eastview Middle School. Here's another student with their Chicago picture of the bean. Here's another Chicago one that was really cool. And then I'm going to stop with samples there because I really want you to come up with your own, is my hope. So you will be on to yours, adding a new blank slide, and you get to create whatever you'd like. But remember, this is the last one, so you do want this one to look good and show off all the skills that you've learned. So you can go ahead, add that new slide, and have some fun and really make something that's cool. Good luck.